Morning Year 4, Mrs Smith here with the maths lesson again. We're going to continue our work from yesterday with the 2-digit by 1-digit division. To start the lesson, have a go at these questions and then come back to check them. Pause the video now. How did you get on? Mark your work. Well done, guys. What's the big picture? We can use our knowledge of place value and partitioning numbers in different ways to divide larger numbers. Key vocabulary for the lesson: divide, division, divisible, part-whole model, share, exchange, ones and tens. The beginning part is a recap on yesterday. There were no exchanges here. What do you think the answer is? Let's have a look. Got the tens frame and we're going to share them equally. There are 2 tens there. Sharing the ones out, there are 2 ones. You can see that the answer is 22 in each section. And Tiny says that he noticed that there are 2 tens and 2 ones in each row. Let's have a look at this one. 84 divided by 6. We've got the place value counters here. Do you think we're going to need to exchange in this? Have a think. Let's see. We're going to start by sharing out the tens. You can see there are 2 tens that need exchanging. Here are our 21s. They go with the other 4 that we have here, and then we share those out. And you can see that in each box, each area, there are 14, 1 10 and 4 ones. This is also a recap from yesterday. We looked at these part-whole models. We partitioned 39 into 30 and 9 so that we could divide each part. 30 divided by 3 was 10, 9 divided by 3 was 3. You then combine those answers together, 10 plus 3 equals 13. But for 42 divided by 3, we had to partition in a different way. 42 went into 30 and 12 because we needed both numbers to be divisible by 3. 30 divided by 3 is 10 and 12 divided by 3 is 4. The 10 plus the 4 makes the 14. We're going to be using the part-whole model today. How would you partition 96 in these divisions? Chili 3's had a look at question 1, 2 and 3 yesterday, so see if you can remember what you spotted yesterday when you were looking for patterns. Have a go at these part-whole models and then come back to see. For the first 3 questions, we partition 96 into 80 and 16 because these numbers are divisible by 8, 4 and 2. If you look, half of 8 is 4, half of 4 is 2, and then you double the answers, 12, 24 and 48. So you've got that pattern there. Did you remember that, Chili 3? For question 4, you could have done it 2 ways. You could have partitioned 96 into 60 and 36, or you could have gone straight for 90 and 6. How did you do? For question 5, you could have partitioned it in these 2 ways. You could have done 96 in chunks of 30, 30, 30 and 6, or you could have just gone for 90 and 6 straight into it. Did you spot a pattern between these 2? That's right, half of 6 is 3. The answer to 96 divided by 6 was 16. If you then doubled the answer to 96 divided by 3 was 32. Great pattern spotting. Here's a challenge for you. Using all of the counters, how many 2-digit numbers can you make that are divisible by 3? Here's an example for you. I can use the counters by putting 1 in the tens and 5 in the ones, which is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now, have a think. How many more can you come up with? Pause the video and have a go. How did you get on? Let's have a look. You would have had 24 divided by 3 equals 8, 33 divided by 3 equals 11, 42 divided by 3 equals 14, 51 divided by 3 equals 17, and 60 divided by 3 equals 20. Good work, guys. It's now time for you to have a go. Chilly ones, could you have a go at this? It says Rosie is working out 93 divided by 3 using a place value chart. She's got the place value counters there, which you had in your pack at home. You can cut them out or you can draw them. It says talk about Rosie's method and complete the division 93 divided by 3. Pause the video and have a go, and then come back for the next question. Chilly ones, using that method, can you have a go at these calculations? It says use place value counters to complete the divisions. You've got 66 divided by 3, 86 divided by 2, 50 divided by 5, 48 divided by 4, 39 divided by 3, and 84 divided by 4. Pause the video and have a go. Question 3 is for Chilly 1, 2 and 3. It says Dexter is working out 56 divided by 4 using a place value chart. He started to share them out, but he has these here. He says, I can't do it because I have counters left over. Do you agree with Dexter? Explain your answer. And then for part B, can you work out 56 divided by 4 using those place value counters? Pause the video and have a go, and then come back. Question 4 is for Chilly 2 and 3. It says use place value counters to complete the following divisions. 72 divided by 3, 92 divided by 4, 65 divided by 5, 48 divided by 6, 45 divided by 3, 64 divided by 4. Pause the video and have a go now. Have a look at Amir's model that he's working out for 68 divided by 4. He has partitioned 68 into 60 and 8. 60 and 8 are both divisible by 4. 60 divided by 4 is 15, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. So his answer is 17. You're going to need this in the next question. Chilly 2s and 3s, can you use Amir's method to work out these two? 85 divided by 5 and 84 divided by 6. Pause the video and have a go. The final question is for Chilly 3, but remember anyone can have a go. It says write less than, more than or equal to make the statements correct. 96 divided by 8, is that less than, more than or equal to 72 divided by 6? Then you've got 95 divided by 5, is it more than, less than or equal to 63 divided by 3? And then you've got this one here and this one here. Pause the video and have a go, and then come back to me. Super work again today, guys. This is the part where you can check your work. So it says Rosie is working out 93 divided by 3 using a place value chart. So complete the division. 93 divided by 3 is 31. For question 2, here are your answers. You can mark your work and then move on to the next slide. The next question was about Dexter. Did you agree with Dexter? No, we didn't agree with him. He needed to exchange that 10 for 10 ones, didn't he? So that he had 12 ones that he could share out. The answer to part B of Dexter's problem was 14. Question 4, your answers are here. Check your work and then we'll move on to the next question. Well done, guys. Here are the answers using Amir's model. How did you do? Well done. Here are the answers to the final question. Great work today, guys. Well done. Here is a selection of the work that you're sending me in. Thank you very much. I'm loving seeing the maths. As some of you love maths as much as me, I've put in an extra hot challenge for fun. You don't have to do this, but let's see if you can beat me, because I haven't come up with a solution yet. Good luck. If you do come up with a solution to that extra hot challenge, you can email me or you can send me your work from today. Well done. See you next week, guys.